In the village, families gathered outside, their eyes lifted to the crescent moon that marked the beginning of Ramadan. The air was filled with a sense of peace and anticipation for the spiritual journey ahead. Amina, a young woman with a heart full of devotion, stood by her mother, Fatima, as they admired the celestial beauty above.
The Quran guides us during this blessed month,
Amina whispered, her voice a blend of reverence and joy. Every morning, Amina dedicated time for reflection and fasting, seeking to purify her spirit and strengthen her connection with Allah. The words of Surah Al-Baqarah resonated with her, urging her towards righteousness and introspection.
Fasting is more than abstaining from food, my dear,
Fatima reminded her daughter, her voice gentle and wise. It's a journey inward. During Ramadan, the spirit of charity thrived in the village. Amina joined her neighbors in preparing food packages to distribute among the less fortunate. It was a time to embody the teachings of the Quran and extend kindness to all.
This is the true essence of our faith,
Amina said, her heart swelling with gratitude for the opportunity to give back. Breaking the fast together was a cherished tradition for Amina's family. The table was laden with simple yet heartfelt dishes prepared with love and gratitude. As
and faith go hand in hand,
Fatima smiled, embracing the joy that radiated from their togetherness. The night prayers offered Amina a profound connection with Allah. In the quiet solitude, she found solace and sought forgiveness, her heart open to divine guidance.
Let us cherish these sacred moments,
Amina prayed, her spirit alight with hope. Decorating their home was a beloved ritual, symbolizing the light that Ramadan brought into their lives. Each ornament reflected their faith and the blessings they hoped to receive in the coming days.
May our home always be filled with peace and light,
Fatima said, her eyes shining with love and hope.